Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace camera glass in your Galaxy S9 Plus or S9. They're pretty much the same. There's two ways to do it. You can either buy the whole frame and piece of glass attached and remove this back cover and then install the new glass, or you can just remove the piece of glass and install it in. So I'm just gonna make it much easier. I'm just gonna remove the piece of glass, because once you remove the back glass, your warranty is gonna be voided right away. They know somehow, I don't know how they check, but they know if this back glass removed, the warranty is voided right away. So let's heat it up. Don't heat it up too much so you don't burn your camera, so be really careful. Do it for like 15 to 20 seconds and then use a knife or something sharp to remove this glass. You can see it'll come off pretty easily as long as you can pull up this adhesive on one side, and if you heat it up enough it'll remove pretty easy, just like that. You just it's really simple, and it's so much easier, so you don't have to replace the back glass, like you don't have to remove the back glass. This whole thing, it takes so much more time, and then you can break it pretty easily. So this plate already has adhesive on it, so all you have to do just stick it in, and now you have a new glass. That was super easy. Took me less than a minute to do it, and you have a new piece of glass. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and thumbs up, and bye bye.